Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Want to make your WhatsApp conversations more private? In this video, I will show you how to lock your private chats so only you can open them, and how to enable IP protection during WhatsApp calls for an extra layer of privacy. Before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Lock a private chat. Step 2. Access your locked chats. Step 3. Turn on IP protection for calls. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Lock a private chat. First, open WhatsApp and select the conversation you want to protect. Tap the contact's name at the top of the chat. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Lock Chat. Follow the on-screen instructions and authenticate using your fingerprint, face unlock, or device passcode. Once enabled, the chat will be moved to your locked chats folder, where only you can access it. Step number 2. Access your locked chats. Return to the main chat screen. Swipe down until you see locked chats, then tap it. Authenticate using your fingerprint, face unlock, or passcode to open your protected conversations. If your version of WhatsApp supports it, you can also create a secret code to hide the locked chats folder from your chat list for even more privacy. Step number 3. Turn on IP protection for calls. Tap the three-dot menu on the main WhatsApp screen. Then go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced. Turn on Protect IP address in calls. When this feature is enabled, WhatsApp relays your calls through its servers to help hide your IP address from the person you are calling. Keep in mind that this extra layer of privacy may slightly reduce call quality on some networks. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, software version, and WhatsApp version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, Meta, WhatsApp, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to use ChatLock and IP protection to make your WhatsApp conversations more private. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.